Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So today's video is going to be a vlog style video where I'll share with you all a day in my life. So here you can see it's already a morning and it's 9 a.m. right now, and we are heading towards our gym because this is the first thing that I do every single morning. So yeah, and my gym buddy is my sister. Here you can see she's just being a creep. So yeah, here's me, and I'm wearing a kurta because I go to the gym and then I change my clothes into my workout gears. So yeah, you can see we are just chilling in the morning and we are having a good time while having a morning walk as well. So our gym is like 10 to 15 minutes away from our home, so we go by walking. तो अभी हम लोग जिम पहुंच चुके हैं और जिम जाना काफ़ी मुश्किल हो जाता है क्योंकि हमारे जिम के बाजू में ही स्टारबक्स, मैकडी, सबवे ये तरह के आउटलेट्स है. And yeah, in the gym also we do try to follow COVID precautions like sanitizing our hands. Like जब भी हम लोग एक मशीन यूज़ करते हैं या फिर डम्बल्स यूज़ करते हैं हम लोग सैनिटाइज ज़रूर करते हैं. एंड आई डू कैरी माई पर्सनल सैनिटाइज़र स्प्रे. तो कोई भी मशीन या फिर डंबल को छूने से पहले मैं उसको अच्छे से सैनिटाइज़ करती हूँ और फिर उसे यूज़ करती हूँ, और यूज़ करने के बाद भी अपने हाथ अच्छे से सैनिटाइज़ कर लेती हूँ. और जिस जिम में हम लोग जाते हैं वो काफ़ी अच्छा और वेल नोन जिम है, तो वहाँ पे भी काफ़ी अच्छे से सारी बॉडी टेम्परेचर वगैरह की चेकिंग होती है. एंड देन वी हैव टू लाइक राइट डाउन आवर टाइमिंग्स एंड ऑल, एंड देन हमें एंट्री मिलती है. So guys, I'm done with my workout and this is what I wore today for my workout. And the shoes are from Puma, the pant is from Amazon, and this t-shirt is like my recent purchase and I'm really loving it. अभी मैं घर जाके नहाऊंगी and then I'll meet you all. Hi guys, so before moving forward into this vlog, I wanted to share with you all my skincare regime that I have been recently changed due to this really cold weather. I have been using this Mamaearth cold cream since a really long time now, and I thought to include this in today's video as well because this is now a part of my daily regime during this winter season. So this is the Mamaearth Vitamin C Nourishing Cold Cream, and this is infused with vitamin C and honey. And I also have two other variants with me, which is their Optant Nourishing Cold Cream and their Cocoa Nourishing Cold Cream. So these are three that I have been recently loving, and I really love the vitamin C one a lot. So that's the reason I'm going to apply and show you all how it looks on my skin. So as you all might be already facing some issues with your skin due to winter season, which is dry skin or having some flaky skin. So first I'm going to talk about the Cocoa Nourishing Cold Cream, which is infused with coffee and vitamin E, and it is rich in moisturization due to its thick consistency. So I'm just going to talk about the hero ingredients of this product, which is coffee, vitamin E, coconut oil and organic almond oil. So coffee contains potent antioxidant that brightens the skin while reducing the fine lines and wrinkles. Vitamin E is a powerful antioxidant that fights UV damage, and it also nourishes the skin and protects it from free radical damage. And coconut oil is natural antibacterial, antifungal, and and it has highly moisturizing properties, and it also reduces inflammation and prevent infection. So talking about the organic almond oil, it will soothe your skin and it will also nourish it, and it's an excellent emollient and it will prevent moisture loss from your skin. So these are the key ingredients of the product. Now I'm going to talk about the Optum Nourishing Cold Cream, which is this one right here. So the key ingredients in this one is turmeric, saffron, sandal and almond oil. So turmeric impacts on instant glow for your skin, and it also reduces the signs of aging. It also protects the skin from sun damage and brightens your skin tone. Saffron is a vitamin and antioxidant powerhouse, and saffron soothes the skin while adding natural radiance and glow, and it also helps to reduce the cells of your skin. Then it also has sandal, which is enriched with anti-aging and anti-inflammatory properties. Sandalwood also removes tan from your skin, and it also minimizes the appearance of scars and softens your skin instantly. Almond oil also reduces the skin irritation, and it also reverses that UV damage, and it also hydrates the skin as well. Now talking about the one that I really love the most out of all of the three, which is this one. This is the Mamaearth's Vitamin C Nourishing Cold Cream. So as the name suggests, it has vitamin C, then it also has some honey, organic lemon oil and some olive oil. So now talking about the vitamin C part, it is a potent antioxidant, and it also neutralizes the oxidative damage caused by the sun or due to free radicals or pollution. It also speeds up the skin natural regeneration process, and it also helps to leave your skin with a healthy glow. Now talking about the key ingredient, which is honey, it is an antioxidant and it also have some skin smoothing properties which fight dry skin. It also moisturizes and nourishes the skin from deep while it being a very lightweight ingredient. Now talking about the organic lemon oil, it has antiseptic properties which helps in treating your skin woes and clearing away impurities. It also minimizes excess oil on your skin, and it also improves its luster. Now talking about the key ingredient, olive oil. It is rich in antioxidant that helps in reducing signs of aging. It also nourishes the skin deeply by locking the essential moisture in your skin. So these are all of the key ingredients of all of the three products that I've shared with you all. And Mamaearth also run a plant goodness initiative program. So every time you will buy anything from Mamaearth, they will link your product to their website, and it will link to a tree that they will plant in future. And by 2025, Mamaearth has an aim of planting about 1 million trees, which is like really amazing. And as you all might be already knowing that Mamaearth is plastic positive too, so they recycle more plastic than they generate every month. So they generate about 240 metric ton of plastic every month, and 1 metric ton is equal to 1000 kgs of plastic, which is like a lot of plastic. So all of the Mamaearth products are naturally made, and they are India's first made safe cold creams that are made in India. And they are free from any harmful chemicals, parabens and minerals, which is like really good for your skin. And all of the Mamaearth products are available on Amazon, on Nykaa, on purple.com, and also on their official app that they have recently launched. So you can definitely use my code, which is Kalgutka2022, which I'm going to mention on the screen and also in my description bar below, so that you can get 20% off from your order. And if you use their app, then you will get an early access to some really amazing and good offers that they always run on their products. And you might also get some extra discount on their app, so do check them out on their app. So yeah, that's all for the review part of the Mamaearth products. Now I'm just going to jump right into the video. So guys, skincare करने के बाद I'm just going to jump on to my first meal of the day, which is my breakfast. And आज मैं खाने वाली हूँ पोहा और चाय. This is my favorite combination. So I'm just going to make a cup of tea for myself. So I'm going to use this jaggery powder instead of sugar. This is from Urban Platter, and this is the recent change that I've made in my diet. I have completely discarded sugar from my diet, and I'm really enjoying it. So yeah. So this is the cup of tea, and you can see by its color the tea looks really amazing. So I'm just going to enjoy it with my poha, and this poha is made by my mom, and they are like the world's most delicious poha. So I'm just going to enjoy it and see you all later. और हाँ, जिम से आते वक्त I bought this snacks for myself, and this is from Shridham. It's a very huge store at my place. So yeah, the first thing I bought is flaxseed bhakarwadi. This is one of my most favorite snacks. Then I bought this chakli that I really love and enjoy while having my tea. Then I bought this whole wheat shiv puri ki puris. I really love to munch on this. So yeah, that's that. Then I've also bought some banana wafers. I really love it. Then I bought this chibra that my mom really loves and she enjoys it while having her tea in the evening. Then I've also bought this bhajani chakli that we all enjoy a lot. The next thing I bought is methi khakara. This is also a really healthy option that you can opt for. Then I also bought these really yum and delicious methi theplas. I really enjoy to have it during my lunch, so that's the reason I bought it. Then for some healthy snack options, I bought this sunflower seeds which are roasted. Then I've also picked up this jowar and goat ka rotla. I really love it. It's very crispy. Then I've also picked up a Hershey's cocoa which is 100% natural unsweetened cocoa, and I've also picked up marshmallows because I really wanted to have hot chocolates, and that's the reason I bought it. The next thing I bought is this garlic powder because I mainly use garlic as my main substitute for any masala or anything in my diet. And the last thing that I picked up is peanut chicky. It's like one of my favorites, and I really love to have one piece of it every single night before going to bed because I have a really bad sweet tooth. So these are all of the snack items that I bought. So yeah. So guys, for lunch I had some really yum palak paneer and roti. So my mom made it for me and it looks super delicious and it also tasted really delicious, and this is one of my most favorite dishes that my mom cooks. So yeah, I'm just going to have my lunch and see you all in my snack time. So guys, it's the evening time and I had my coffee and a bowl of roasted mukhanas, and I just went out for a really amazing evening walk. So I walked for around 45 minutes. So guys, after my walk I went to this store called Nothing But Chicken. यहाँ पे बहुत ही अच्छा और फ्रेश चिकन मिलता है. आपको बोनलेस चाहिए विद बोन, इट्स अप टू यू. और वहाँ पे मैरिनेटेड स्टफ भी मिलता है, तो आप इट्स लाइक रियली क्विक एंड ईजी. आपको ये सारे ऑप्शंस मिल जाते हैं लाइक चिकन टिक्की और चिकन पैटी, सीख कबाब्स और सैलेड. और यहाँ पे सैंडविचेस और भी काफ़ी वैरायटी है, तो आप वहाँ पे जाके चेक कर सकते हो. वहाँ पे मैरिनेटेड स्टफ भी मिलता है, लेकिन आई प्रेफर टू मैरिनेट द चिकन बाय माई टेस्ट एंड अकॉर्डिंग टू माई टेस्ट बर्ड्स, क्योंकि मुझे काफ़ी ज़्यादा स्पाइसी खाना नहीं पसंद. और मैंने यहाँ का चिकन रैप ट्राई किया है, काफ़ी ज़्यादा अच्छा था. एंड आई ऑल्सो पिक्ड अप दिस थाउजेंड आइलैंड का सॉस. आई रियली लव दिस चिपोटले, इट्स रियली यम. सो गाइज, इट वॉज माई चीट डे. सो मैंने एक चीट मील लिया था, तो आई हैड पाव भाजी इन माई डिनर. सो दिस इज़ द रेसिपी दैट माई मॉम इज़ शोइंग यू ऑल, एंड मैं इसे बस फास्ट फॉरवर्ड करने वाली हूँ क्योंकि डिटेल में रेसिपी में शेयर नहीं करने वाली हूँ बिकॉज पाव भाजी इज़ रियली ईजी टू मेक. So yeah guys, that's it, and that's all for the day in my life or what I eat in a day kind of a video, and I hope you guys enjoyed watching it. तो गाइस, पाव भाजी काफ़ी ज़्यादा यम बनी थी और वी वर जस्ट इंजॉइंग आवर टाइम. और टीवी पे बिग बॉस देख रहे थे हम लोग, तो बिग बॉस देखते देखते ही वी जस्ट चिल्ड आउट एंड फिर हम लोग सब लोग सोने चले गए. So yeah, that's it for today's video, you guys. I hope you guys enjoyed watching it, and if you did, then please don't forget to hit the like button. Also, please subscribe to my channel for more such videos, and I will love to do it for you guys. So yeah, bye bye.